this is the drop back class, and drop back class, do not try to skip the video, otherwise you will not understand at all. You have to learn from the foundation every single thing and practice together, you can do it. Hey everyone, namaste, this is Guru Dharm and Krunok Nutsara Yoga. So in this video, in this class, we will learn drop back in 6 steps. This is the complete basic to advanced level video class. As everyone know, this channel is recommend high quality content of the yoga education from the traditional style, from the original Indian style yoga, and original style teach you how we can support our health to from injury to get a good health. We should not have injury anytime. That's why we are working to you, we are working for everyone to give you perfect foundational knowledge so you can have 100% benefit, 0% side effect. So if you forget to subscribe the channel, please feel free to subscribe and ring the bell icon, and feel free to share this video, comment everything with your peoples, with your community. So everyone, you will have knowledge from the foundation, from the proper. Okay, so let's begin. So we start this class with level 1. So as you know, everyone, before drop back start, remember we have to follow 3 steps. Step number 1 is proper warm up. Step number 2 is proper technique. Once you have done this technique into 6 level, after that proper relaxation. Relaxation is very important. This is a 3 step for improve your health, improve your strength, and improve your body flexibility. And this is the drop back class, and drop back class, do not try to skip the video, otherwise you will not understand at all. You have to learn from the foundation every single thing and practice together, you can do it. So level 1 for beginners. So beginners, after you warm up, because Nusra already she has warmed up before the video is making this video, and now we will try the level 1. And the level 1, you can see what we have to do. Grab the pelvic and open our back as much you can, and then bend forward. We do not hold any one posture. We just stretch and contract a maximum. We can do this technique minimum 5, 7, 10 times. We can do back, front, back, front, back, front. Level 1, only level 1. Yeah, go back and come front. You have to do 3 to 5 times. Minimum, not maximum. Maximum is you can do 20 times, 30 times, that's fine. Okay, once we have done level 1 technique, now we will move to the level 2, which is level 2 is open the chest maximum, grab the knee and going to walk your hand down to the ankle. If it's not possible, for example, someone maybe you can live only here. So just stay here, don't have to be worried, and then come up and bend forward. And once you have done bend forward, back to the level 2 again. Go back and grab the walking your hands to the calf muscle or to the ankle as much you can go. Today maybe you can reach only the calf muscle, but after a week you can reach maybe until the ankle. So you have to step by step, don't force yourself, and go back and back front, bend front. So 2 times already. Now one more time we will do it, this technique, and then you will see how is moving. So level 2, this is we call level 2, right? And now from the level 2, you can see level 3 is try to contract the core muscle and activate your quadriceps muscles, and move your hand to the one side and back the same place, another hand and back to the same place, another hand and back to the same place. And once you're done, then walk up and bend forward. This is level 3. Now after you have done the level 3, now level 4. Once you are going to the level 3, you have to follow by level 3 only, step by step, proper foundation. So if you will see, once you have done level 3 and switch the another hand, after that try to touch the palm on the floor. Once you touch the fingers, and then follow the second hand and body weight, move to the hand step by step, little by little, without force at all. And now you have done level 4. Now slowly down, slowly down. Head down first, and body on the floor. Okay, once we have done, then slowly come up to the Paschimottanasana from the any one side. So forward bend posture is very important, because we have done level 4, we go down already, and now bend forward. Okay, once we have done this technique, we can stand up again and try to do level 4, 1 or 2 or 5 or 20, up to the people body strength. Okay, but we will do it next level from the level 4. So stand up, cone. So once we stand up and we go into the level 4 again, the same technique we follow step by step, level 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you reach the floor, and after that you going down again. Once you have done this, then head down, body down, and slowly. Okay, now we start level 5. Once we start the level 5, the same place, after Paschimottanasana, you come back and set your hands and lift the body up, and now we're going to level 5, which is back to the from down reverse, like try to stand up. So walk for front and try to go to the level 4 first. While you are moving your hand to the ankle, remember your pelvic have to be forward, activate the quadriceps muscle, and slowly walk up, walk forward by hand and bend forward. This is, we try to process, reverse process of the level 4. Okay, once we have done, if you feel comfortable to doing this technique, and now we can start next level, which is level 6. Level 6 is drop back and bend forward. This 6th level, whenever we do the same thing. Level 1, 2, 3, 4, you can start, and then you can see how it's improved. Inhale, open your chest, grab back to the level 1, level 2, going down, level 3, open your hand and touch the floor, level 4, and now we try to come up. Try to come up. When you come up, you can see now her quadriceps muscles and the core muscles is quite strong. So whenever she is going to the front, that she have to bring the pelvic to the front, and bend the knees a little bit to the front. So it will helpful for lift the body up. So let's practice few more times. Drop back and stand up. Yes, try. Also, we can try with the wall or sofa or bed, but remember, safety is the first priority, first important thing in our practice. So if you feel uncomfortable anytime, you need to listen to your body, and if you have any discomfort or any question still is not clear, feel free to comment under. Okay, remember one more important point. Whenever we have done this all 6 steps, now is very important, because whenever we practice, our core muscle is very important. Our quadriceps muscle is very important. So warrior 1, 2, 3, Utkatasana, chair posture, or any posture that help you to strengthen your quadriceps muscle, core muscle, is very helpful for you. Traditional original sun moon salutation will very helpful. Bhujanga Namaskar sequence is very helpful, and also the plank posture, Guru Namaskar Vinyasa technique is very helpful. The all things is very important. And remember one more important thing, whenever we practice, never give up and do not force yourself to do right now or today. We still have life, we still have time, we need baby step, little bit step, everyday practice. 5 times a week you can practice to open your back, and 2 times a week must rest, must give your body rest. It is very important. And if you have any comment, if you have any question, do not shy to ask. I will be happy to see your comment and see the feedback, how you like this video. Feel free to subscribe, share, and do not forget to let me know what is your country or city name. I will happy to see. So see you in my next class, next video. So bye bye everyone. Namaste.